It starts with a spark, an idea, a passion burning inside, begging to be shared with the world. For many young creators, that spark ignites online. They dream of making videos, music, art, of turning their passion into their livelihood. This is where the journey begins, filled with excitement, uncertainty, and a whole lot of hustle.
The early days are a whirlwind of learning and experimenting. You're figuring out the technology, finding your voice, and building an audience from scratch. It's tough. You might pour your heart into a video only to get a handful of views, but don't let that discourage you. Every creator starts somewhere.
Remember why you started. Hold on to that initial spark. The path to success isn't always easy, but it's the journey that teaches you, shapes you, and ultimately makes it all worthwhile. So keep creating, keep experimenting, and keep believing in your vision. The world is waiting to see what you have to offer. The beginning is a mix of highs and lows. You upload a video, excited to share it, and crickets. The views are low, the comments are scarce. It's easy to get discouraged.
But then, something amazing happens. You try something new, something different, and it resonates. Maybe a video gets a few hundred views, then 1,000. People leave comments, share your work. It's a small victory, but it feels huge. These small wins fuel your fire. They remind you why you're doing this, to connect, to create, to build something from nothing.
You learn from every upload, every comment, every interaction. You realize it's not just about the numbers, it's about finding your tribe, your people, the ones who get you, who appreciate your unique perspective. This is how you build a community. And then it happens. The video that takes off, the one that explodes, your phone blows up with notifications, views skyrocket, you're going viral. It's exhilarating, overwhelming, and life-changing all at once.
Suddenly, you're not just creating for a small group, you're reaching a global audience. Brands take notice. Opportunities arise. The possibilities seem endless. But with this newfound success comes a new set of challenges.
You need to navigate brand deals, manage expectations, and stay true to your voice amidst the noise. It's a lot to handle, but remember what got you here: your passion, your creativity, your connection with your audience. Section 4, Beyond the Views, the Power of Multiple Income Streams.
Success in the creator economy isn't just about views.
It's about building a sustainable business.
And that means diversifying your income streams.
Gone are the days when creators relied solely on ad revenue. Today, there are more ways than ever to monetize your passion.
The Shorts Fund rewards creators for engaging short-form content.
Sponsorships allow you to collaborate with brands you believe in.
Merchandise lets you offer your audience tangible products that represent your brand.
Each income stream offers a new way to connect with your audience, build your brand, and create a more stable future for yourself.
It's about creating a business that's as dynamic and multifaceted as your creativity.
Section 5, Defining Success, it's more than money.
Success is about more than just money.
It's about the impact you make, the community you build, the joy you find in the process.
It's about waking up every day excited to do what you love, to connect with people who inspire you.
It's about using your platform to make a difference, to spark conversations, to leave the world a little brighter than you found it.
And that's a success worth striving for.
So, to all the aspiring creators out there, I say this: don't be afraid to dream big. Don't be afraid to fail. Put in the work, stay true to yourself, and never stop learning.
The journey won't be easy, but it will be worth it. Your voice matters. Your story matters. Go out there and share it with the world.